When a private citizen breaks the law, the state's response is swift and overwhelming. With a flash of sirens and the full force of a police department, the government exercises its legal authority to arrest and detain the accused. The criminal justice system is built entirely around this dynamic. The government acts as the prosecutor, bringing charges against an individual. The end result is punitive, resulting in fines, probation, or a loss of liberty through jail time. But a severe imbalance exists in this design. Consider what happens when the roles are reversed, when an officer uses excessive force, or a local official violates a citizen's constitutional rights. An individual citizen cannot file criminal charges against a corrupt official. You can report a crime, but only the government, represented by a state prosecutor, holds the authority to actually file criminal charges in court. If a prosecutor declines to press charges against a fellow government employee, the victim is left with a severe legal deficit. The entities empowered to protect the public become effectively shielded from criminal consequence. To navigate around this roadblock, victims must step into a completely different arena, civil law. Here, disputes are resolved between private parties. The objective is no longer to put someone in a prison cell, but to compensate the injured party for their damage. Because civil lawsuits deal with money rather than a person's physical freedom, the math required to win changes. In a criminal trial, the government must prove guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. Civil court requires only a preponderance of the evidence. You just have to prove that your claim is more than 50% likely to be true.